Hey guys, the LCN Man 121 here. I went dumpster diving today at a elementary school. They were getting rid of some of the wood and metal doors. And I got a door closer. Yep, this is the third LCN closer that I own. Like I said, this came out of a elementary school. This closer came off of a bathroom door. And I did test this. It didn't have back check. I think it had back check, but it was like slightly adjusted. And this one has the sticker intact. Still. I have it upside down. LCN. And this one's the non-adjusting one. So you can see LCN, 1L. And this LCN is for a left hand. I do have two left hands and one right hand. Well, this one, I have two right hands and one left hand, rather, sorry. As you can see here. And I'll try to do a demonstration. See, it has a pretty nice sweep speed. And the latch speed was kind of slow, but it doesn't matter. And I believe this valve here, I don't know if that's even a valve. That's probably like a... I don't think these older I think this is an older one. But I don't think these LCNs have any spring power adjusting valve on them. As you can see, this one's a little bit dirtier than the other one. That's the oil. Has a little rust right there. So yeah, your sweep latch. And back check is somewhere here. Yeah, right there. This arm's a little rusty. Alright, I got hot, humid, and steamy in the bathroom. So, yeah, this is the closer that I got out of an elementary school in a dumpster. And I'll show you the mounting hardware. So that LCN, it came with 4 of these long screws. I have the fourth one somewhere. So they would go right there. And then, so this one was installed on a wooden door instead of a metal door. If this was installed on a metal door, it would have a whole new different setup. So here's these screws here. So you can't install this on a metal door, wooden door rather. Okay, this one's in, I want to say this is in good shape, better shape, but except for the rust and stuff. Well, yeah, that is the door closer I got now I got out of the dumpster. And I'll see you guys in the next video.